One machine multi-purpose laser welding with 7 welding functions. Now I will introduce it to you. Continuous welding. It is only recommended to weld plates within 10 millimeters. Look at this small weld bead. Is it straight? Let's take a look at the fish scale welding that everyone likes. Although it looks good, but the welding speed is a little slower than continuous mode. Look at spot welding. It's very convenient and simple. For welding thin plates, you can use the modulation mode. Look at the back. Wipe off the dust. Let's look at the pulse mode. Speed up a little and lower the power. It's similar to the modulation mode. Slow it down, which is similar to spot welding. The advantage is that you can control the laser output time to precisely control the welding spot. Let's look at its cleaning and rust removal mode. Just unplug the scale tube and it can be used. Let's see its effect on cleaning paint. It works well. Let's see how it cuts. Replace it with a cutting copper nozzle. Increase the air pressure and it can be used. Look at the speed. It's very powerful for cutting thin plates.